In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website with Zoho Website Builder. We'll go through the basic setup process from start to finish so you can quickly create a site and begin customizing it to match your needs. This is a great option if you want to build a website without dealing with complicated coding or technical setup. To get started, open your Zoho Sites account. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and log in first so you can access the Website Builder dashboard. Once you're inside your account, look for the option to create a new website. This is usually easy to find on the main screen, and it's the starting point for building your site from scratch. After you click to create a new website, the platform will ask you to enter a name for your website and select a category. The name you choose should clearly represent your brand, business, project, or personal site, since this helps keep your website organized from the very beginning. When selecting a category, choose the one that best matches the type of website you want to build. This helps Zoho provide design options and layouts that fit your goals more closely. Once you've entered the name and selected the category, continue to the Template Selection section. Here you'll be able to click on the option to choose a template and browse through the available designs. Take your time with this part because the template sets the overall look and structure of your website. Try to pick one that fits the style you want, whether that's professional, modern, creative, simple, or business-focused. After selecting your preferred template, you can begin customizing it. This is where your website starts to feel unique and personalized. You can adjust the layout, edit the text, replace images, and update different sections so the site reflects your content and visual style. If something doesn't look right at first, don't worry. Customization is meant to be flexible, so you can test different changes until the design feels right for you. As you work, focus on keeping the site clean, easy to read, and consistent in style. That will make it more appealing and easier for visitors to navigate. Even a simple template can look polished when the content is organized well. And that's the basic process for creating a website with Zoho Website Builder. Open your account, create a new website, enter the name and category, choose a template, and customize it to match your vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.